Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by pausing sync and closing OneDrive so files don't change mid-process. Sign in to an administrator account, then right-click the OneDrive cloud in the system tray and choose Pause Syncing. Next, open Settings right arrow account and click Unlink this PC. This ensures OneDrive stops associating with your profile. Once done, verify the OneDrive folder stops updating and no status icons remain, because that prevents locked files and makes the uninstall safe. Now you remove the app itself. Open Settings right arrow Apps right arrow Installed Apps, locate Microsoft OneDrive and click Uninstall. Accept any user account control prompts. That removes the core executable. Make sure to check %local app data %Microsoft /OneDrive and %program data %Microsoft OneDrive and delete leftover folders to free space, only after you've unlinked the account. Doing this cleans up auto-restart entries and prevents OneDrive from relaunching without changing system policies. Finish by preventing OneDrive from coming back. Open Task Manager, right arrow Startup, and disable Microsoft OneDrive so it won't auto-launch. If you need a stronger block, use Local Group Policy Editor or add the Disable File Sync NGSC policy in the registry to prevent reinstallation. Restart your PC and confirm no OneDrive processes run and the cloud icon is gone. If you still see traces, run a system search for OneDrive, then reinstall and uninstall again. That often clears stubborn files or permissions.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.